Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal, Salam, hello dosto. I'm Alok and today is 31st of December 2022. हर साल की तरह ये साल भी पता ही नहीं लगा कहाँ चला गया, कुछ घंटों में साल खत्म होने वाला है. But we continue with our series Weekly Market Outlook and we'll talk about market outlook and projections for first week of the coming new year 2023, which is from 2nd Jan to 6th of Jan. So as always, मैंने अपने प्रेजेंटेशन को डिवाइड किया है दो पार्ट्स में, डेटाबेस फैक्ट्स एंड टेक्निकल्स. सो लेट्स गेट देयर. अगर न्यूज और डेटा की बात करें तो की इंडाइसेस पिछले हफ्ते में देखें क्या किया उन्होंने. की इंडाइसेस इट्स बीन गुड वीक फॉर निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी, स्पेशली बैंक निफ्टी. करीब 3.16% ऊपर रहा बैंक निफ्टी एंड निफ्टी वेंट अप बाय 1.7%. थोड़ा वॉलेटिलिटी रहा बट नेट इंडाइसेस हैव बीन वेरी क्लियरली पॉजिटिव. So that's good news from Indian markets perspective. But US market has not been that positive in the last week. They have had rather flat behavior. S&P down 0.14%, Nasdaq down 0.3%. So flat to little bearish. That's US market. But this was for the last week. क्योंकि साल का आखिरी दिन है, let's see what also happened through the whole of 2022. अगर 2022 की बात करें तो निफ्टी हैज बीन स्लाइटली पॉजिटिव 4.33% अप, बट बैंक निफ्टी हैज सरप्राइज्ड एवरीवन hugely positive 21.15% up. S&P indices has been around 19% down. S&P 500. Nasdaq has been the biggest loser, 33% down. Dow Jones around 9% down. Nifty mid cap 3.5% down. Nifty small cap 13.8% down. So from US perspective, it's the Nasdaq, which is a technology index, technology heavy index, that is down. So technology and new age company stocks have been taken a lot of beating in US. और भारत की बात करें, इंडिया की बात करें तो मिड कैप भी थोड़ा कम रहा, पर ज्यादा बीटिंग जो है स्मॉल कैप में. स्मॉल कैप्स हैव नॉट परफॉर्म, नेगेटिव रिजल्ट्स हैं, परफॉर्मेंस है. निफ्टी इज आल्सो फ्लैट बट बैंक निफ्टी हैज बीन अ बिग पॉजिटिव. थोड़ा अगर सेक्टोरल इंडाइसेस को भी देख लें फ्रॉम द इंडियन पर्सपेक्टिव, there is a big surprise here. हम कहते हैं PSU बैंक पैसा नहीं बनाता, PSU बैंक पैसा नहीं बनाता, and guess what? It's a PSU bank index that has been the leading index, more so in the last few months, but throughout the year also. More than 70% up, almost 71% up. That's a huge jump from PSU index. This is in spite of the fact कि पिछले कुछ दिनों में correction भी हुआ है, right? और अगर negative low performance की बात करें तो surprisingly it's IT, which was the top performing index last year. इस साल IT Nifty IT जो है 26% डाउन हुआ है, राइट. सो which is also you can see the similarity with Nasdaq of US, which is a tech heavy index again. But some other indices have also performed well. Nifty Bank as such has performed well, largely due to Nifty PSU bank's contribution. Nifty Metal has been good, even FMCG has been good, right? Okay, other indices also listed here. FII DIT data की बात करें for the week, slightly negative from the FII side, 979 crore का selling है, but DIs have been buying. 8500 plus का buying है for this week. For the month, 14,231 crore net selling by FIIs and more than 24,159 crore by buying by DIs. So DIs have been domestic institutions. They've been very positive in the markets. They've been showing faith in the market and putting their money in the market, right? So let's see how things move. India VIX has decreased a bit this week. In fact, reasonable decrease, 8% down, but it's at 14.86 level, which is, I feel good. It's normal. ये long term average जैसा level है. So that shows there is no unnecessary euphoria in the market, but there is no unnecessary fear also. It's a good normal behavior, so which is good. Crude oil थोड़ा सा move up किया है, about 1.6%, trading at 85.79, largely on news of China opening. China has let go of many COVID restrictions. So there is some kind of feeling that industrial output, industrial activity, economic activity is likely to pick up in China. So because of that, crude is also moving up a bit. अगर हम टेक्निकल्स की बात करें और उससे पहले एक स्टैंडर्ड डिस्क्लेमर. फ्रेंड्स, आई एम आलोक वर्मा. आई एम अ रेगुलर ट्रेडर एंड इन्वेस्टर इन द स्टॉक मार्केट्स. And I do this analysis for myself and also share this analysis on a video for educational purposes. right? So that other people can also benefit from it. At the same time, very clearly, मैं SEBI registered advisor नहीं हूँ. Please do not take anything that I say here as an advice to buy or sell anything in the financial markets, right? Do your own research, that's the best, and also probably consult a certified SEBI registered advisor, right? So because there is no guarantees here. Okay. निफ्टी के हम टेक्निकल लेवल्स की बात कर रहे थे. ये निफ्टी का डेली चार्ट है हमारे पास, राइट? अगर हम देखेंगे तो हमको रेजिस्टेंस दिख रहा है डिफरेंट लेवल्स नेचुरली, बट हमको रेजिस्टेंस दिख रहा है 18500 पे. इट लुक्स लाइक निफ्टी माइट नॉट ट्रेड अबव 18500. इट्स अराउंड 18100 राइट नाउ फॉर दिस वीक, बट ऑन द डाउन साइड there seems to be a chance if it breaks 17800, which it might, it has been trying to, it can go to around 17400 17500. तो डाउन साइड पे थोड़ा सा रिस्क मेरे को दिख रहा है. ऊपर की तरफ ज्यादा गेन होता नहीं दिख रहा है इस वीक में. निफ्टी ऑप्शन चेन की बात करें तो ऑप्शन चेन में भी हमें कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग बातें दिखती हैं, राइट? ऑन द कॉल साइड इफ यू लुक एट इट, there is a huge or maximum open interest at the current levels only 18200 पे, and that has grown up 172.2% का jump आया है उसमें कल ही. Whereas on the put side also there is a huge open interest at the same level, and that has gone up by 122%, but it is much lesser than the call side open interest. So what market is telling us? Market is telling us that it may not go up, it may not go down also, but then chances of going up are lesser and chances of going down are more. And there is a good support at 17500 levels also, which is the highest open interest, and it has grown, so that is matching with our technical levels also, right? So again the outlook is neutral or stable to slightly bearish for Nifty for this week. और इससे पहले कि बैंक निफ्टी की बात करें, आपको मैं याद कराना चाहता हूं कि हम और भी सोशल मीडिया पे प्रेजेंट हैं. इंस्टाग्राम पे हैं, यूट्यूब पे हैं, जहां पर आपको माइक्रो लर्निंग्स मिलती हैं. इंस्टाग्राम पे डेली मार्केट आउटलुक मिलता है. मार्केट स्टूडेंट टुमारो के नाम से सीरीज आती है. वी डू इट रेगुलरली फॉर मंथ्स एंड मंथ्स. वी हैव डन इट, एंड आई बिलीव यू शुड गो देयर एंड आल्सो चेक दैट आउट. आई एम श्योर यू विल फाइंड इट वेरी यूजफुल, राइट? ओके. बैंक निफ्टी की बात करें तो बैंक निफ्टी हैज बीन अ क्लियरली आउट परफॉर्मिंग इंडेक्स, बट अभी थोड़ा सा तकलीफ दिख रहा है. तकलीफ नहीं है, बट लुक्स लाइक इट may take a bit of a breather right now. Right, so right now it's around at 43,000 levels, right? And it seems that it may not cross 44,200 or 44,500 at max, right? So that's what it seems. On the lower side, it is likely to show the levels of 40,800. So my sense is it should range between 40,800 on the lower side and 44,200 on the upper side. So that is what Bank Nifty seems to be doing. Option data for Bank Nifty also suggests that there may not be too much of upside. If you look at it, this is the ATM value and at 43,000, and उस value पर और उसके जरा सा ऊपर there is huge open interest, and that open interest has increased. वो बढ़ा है recently, right? So which tells the market participants believe it will not go up. So a lot of call writing is happening. On the put side, the open interest maximum is also at near levels, but then उसके बाद काफी दूर तक ज़्यादा open interest नहीं है, which looks like if it breaks some current levels, so it might go to 42,500 or maybe 42,000, which is the level that charts are indicating. So this is how it seems. Again, outlook is neutral to slightly bearish, but I don't see things breaking down, at least not in this week, right? And it is the end of the week and end of the year and starting of new year, so volumes might also be low. It's only about 3rd 4th of January that a lot of FI does they come back and the volumes begin to increase. So market because of that कई बार बहुत तेज moves दिखा सकता है market का. You need to be careful. So and before I end this session, this video, here is wishing each one of you a very happy, joyful, blessed New Year 2023, not only from me but whole of team of stockincome.in. May God fulfill all your wishes. So, and I cannot part without thanking you for being with me, for liking these videos, for your comments, for your sharing, right? So you've been part in this journey, and I can only thank you so much for being with me. God bless you. Happy trading, happy investing. Jai Hind.